Welcome to Delicate Flavors with Pallavi, and let us make chicken chapli kebabs today. And here we start. For making chapli kebab, I have taken chicken. This is 600 grams of minced meat or chicken keema. You can take any variety of meat. The more fat, better for chapli kebab, but I have taken medium fat. Into this, I am adding 5 ml of vinegar. You can also add lemon juice, but I prefer vinegar. In goes 2 large onions. Now you can see that onions I have finely chopped and removed all the water. We do not want any water while making kebabs. This is 1 big tomato which I have finely chopped and I have removed all the excess water. We will put in fresh herbs. I am putting 1 spoon of ginger. This should be less, I am adding another spoon. So this is 2 spoons of ginger crush, 2 spoons of garlic crushed, 1 spoon of green chilies crushed. This is a paste of green chilies. You can take green chilies to your desire. I am adding 1.5 spoon of green chili paste. We have a whole lot of spices here. 1.5 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of pepper powder, black pepper powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, 2 spoons chili flakes, half a spoon of amchur powder. Traditionally, pomegranate seeds are used or anardana, but I am putting amchur powder, 2 pinches of chaat masala and salt to taste. So all these masalas we will put in our kebab mix. So in goes all the spices. Into this we will put 1 egg. Now for making the chapli kebab, we will also need a binder. The traditional binder which is used is corn meal, not corn flour, corn meal or makke ka atta. But I am adding besan today. It's either of the two. You can add besan, chickpea flour, or you can add makke ka atta or corn meal. Now I will start mixing all the ingredients, and as and how required I will add more of the besan. So we will mix everything together now. This mixture is nicely mixed, but the color is not to my desire. So I am adding 1 spoon of Kashmiri chili, half a spoon of turmeric. So this mixture is ready. It doesn't need any more besan. So this is nice and ready. Now we will start the procedure of making kebab. Now traditionally kebabs are made in the fat of meat itself. But now in these days when we are taking care of our weights and health, I don't think that is the appropriate way. So I have taken regular cooking oil, and into that we will be making the kebabs. I have put in a frying pan and I have put in some oil so that it heats up by the time we will start making the chapli kebab. Chapli kebabs are usually pretty big in size and they are flat. That is the reason it is called chapli kebab. So we will start making the flat kebabs. You can make it to your desire. You can keep the thickness as per your desire. So this kebab is ready, and now we will lay it on the pan. Now this kebab is ready, so we will just lay it in the oil. And similar manner we will start making other kebabs. Is not a part of the recipe, but I have added because the color is better. This is ready. Now we will lay it in the pan. The kebabs will take at least 4 minutes from one side. So let us check the kebabs after 4 minutes. You need to fluctuate between the flame, which should be at simmer lowest, or it should be medium slow. If you put it very high, the kebabs will develop a brown coating and inside it will be raw. It is now 4 minutes. Let us flip over the kebabs and take a look. Yeah, they are brown on one side. So we will allow them to cook on the other side too. Here also I'm going to fluctuate the flame between minimum to medium. That's it, not higher than that. Our chicken chapli kebabs are nice and sizzling and happening and developing a nice golden crust in the pan. It is 3 minutes done from the other side too. We will just take a look. Yes, it is done. 1 more minute and we will remove all the kebabs. Our kebabs are ready, nice and simmering hot. Now we will serve them. Serve these kebabs with naan parathas. You can make a bun kebab, roti, tawa roti, rice, just anything in the world is enough to go along with these dainty, delicious chicken chapli kebabs. So our chicken chapli kebab is ready. I have tried to use minimum ingredients which are mostly available at home, and the fat is to its minimum, so we can include it in our daily diet or maybe special lunches for weekends, special dinners for weekends and occasions. Do try this recipe and share your comments in the comment section below. Share your pictures on Instagram. For further notification on this channel, do not forget to click the bell icon. By the time I next time see you with a brand new episode, bye for now.